Derivation of area of circle using limits. So let's look at how do we derive this formula using the properties of limits. So basically, let's start with n-sided a regular polygon. Yeah, and we will try to find the area of n-sided regular polygon. And then for regular polygon, if the number of sides goes to infinity, in that case the regular polygon will just be circle. Yeah, so this is what we are gonna use, and let me show you like how can we find the general area for a regular n-sided figure. Let us say we have a six-sided figure. Yeah, let's say this is regular, all the sides are equal, because in that case uh, it can be circumscribed, let's say, by a circle. Yeah, just okay, and let's say their center, and if it's regular, all the central angles will be equal. Yeah, so basically the total angle is 2 pi, and if there are n sides, this angle will just be 2 pi over n. Yeah, and let's say so the distance from center to a vertex is r. Yeah, and since it's a regular polygon, all of them will just be r. Okay, and now if we want to find the area of the regular polygon, we can find the area of one triangle and multiply it by the number of sides. Yeah, that's why we can say that area of regular polygon will basically be, firstly, for finding the area of the triangle, what we can do is we have side A, we have side B, and we have angle theta. That's why the area will be 1 by 2 AB sine theta. Yeah, you can use this formula to find the area, and so it will be 1 by 2 r into sine 2 pi by n. Yeah, sine of 2 pi by n, and the angle is in basically radian measure. And to find the area of the whole polygon, we can just multiply this by n. Yeah, and now to find the area of circle, the circumscribed circle, basically, for that what we can do is we can basically take the limit n goes to infinity. Yeah, we can take this limit. So area of circle, limit n goes to infinity, of 1 by 2 r square n sine 2 pi by n. Now what I can do is I can basically write 2 pi by n over here and also over here, because these two are going to get cancelled. And also that when n is going to infinity, we know that 2 pi by n will basically go to 0. 2 pi by n will go to 0. And now we know that limit x tends to 0 of sin x by x is actually 1. So using this property, what we can say is this limit over here is actually 1. That's why we have 1 by 2 times I square times n times 1 times 2 pi by n. The n over here cancels out, and 2 also cancels out, which leaves us with pi r square. That's why we can say that from this, since if there are like infinite number of sides, like there will be tiny sides, and basically it's gonna be the circle itself when n goes to infinity. And we saw that this area when n goes to infinity is actually equals to pi r square. That's why we can say that if we have a circle and the radius r, we can say that area of the circle is pi r square. So this was a neat and tiny proof. And now if we want to find circumference, we know that with a small change in radius, the small change in area will just be gonna be circumference itself. Yeah. Basically with this dr, change in area will just be the circumference. So that's why now to find circumference formula, we can just differentiate area. That gives us 2 pi r. So this is how we can use the tools of calculus to find both the area and circumference of a circle. Now if I have to talk about the flow, I first introduced about the regular polygon and why this approaches to circle, and we tried dividing this polygon into different halves with the center in between, and we found out the area of a single triangle and all the triangles, and then took the limit and used this limit formula sin x by x, and we got the answer. So that was it. Hope you enjoyed this solution and the idea. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos too.